Look at this. Every scale, every claw, the wing membrane, the gold underbelly. That is a fully detailed 3D model. And I generated it from a single image in about 3 minutes. This is Hitem3D V2.1. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Fast mode, quality mode, the new advanced controls, and the tips that will actually get you good results. Let's go. Hitem3D is an AI tool that takes a single image and converts it into a high-quality 3D model. Clean mesh, usable geometry, 1536 resolution output. The kind of quality you can actually use in Blender, game engines, or send straight to a 3D printer. Version 2.1 just dropped, and 4 things changed in a big way. New fast mode generates a 1536 resolution model in about 2 to 5 minutes, roughly 60% faster than before. This is the mode you reach for when you're prototyping, testing an idea, or just want to see if an object will generate well before committing more credits. Best for rapid prototyping, idea validation, 3D printing previews, and brainstorming sessions where you want to test multiple concepts quickly. Cost cut by 50%. The same 1536 model now costs 25 credits instead of 40. Cheaper credits mean you can actually afford to iterate. Advanced settings. You now control lighting, PBR materials, and image prep directly inside the tool. Full delight slider, one-click PBR for game and CG pipelines. New image editing. Hitem3D now includes built-in image preprocessing for your input image. They've integrated the latest GPT Image 2 model, plus Nano Banana and Seedream, so you can clean up, edit, or enhance your reference image before generating. Better input equals better output, all in one place. And right now there's a launch promo. New users get 50% off their first month, and the first 200 people who sign up through my link in the description get an extra 500 credits on top of that. The promo code Digital Assets is also in the description. Okay, so for the demo today, I'm using this image, an AI-generated black and gold dragon figurine. I picked this specifically because it's one of the most challenging objects you can throw at a 3D generator. You've got individual scales, sharp claws, detailed wing membranes with bone structure, layered horns, and 2 completely different materials, rough black scales and a smooth gold underbelly. If Hitem3D handles this well, it'll handle almost anything. Now, the background on this image is dark gray. Before I generate, I'm going to use the built-in background remover to clean that up. This is one of the new V2.1 image editing features, and it matters. See the difference? Cleaner input means fewer retries and more stable geometry. This is true for any image you use. Always remove the background if you can. You can also use the text-based image editor to adjust your reference before generating. Fix the pose, clean up noise, whatever you need. Cleaner input equals better output. Alright, image is uploaded, background removed, and I'm running this in fast mode. Fast mode is what you use when you're testing an idea, prototyping, or just want to see if an object will generate cleanly before committing to a quality run. At 1536 resolution, most objects take 2 to 3 minutes. Complex stuff with lots of geometry, like this dragon, might push closer to 5. One honest note before we see the result. Texture quality in fast mode is less stable. So when you're evaluating the output, look at the geometry first. The overall shape, the proportions, the silhouette. That's what matters at this stage. Okay, so the overall form is there. The body mass reads correctly, the wings are separated, the tail comes through. The scale texture in fast mode is rougher than quality mode. You can see that. But the geometry itself? That's the impressive part. For a first draft in under 5 minutes, that's a really solid base to work from. So let's talk about when to use which mode. Fast mode, 25 credits. Prototyping, testing, iteration, 3D printing previews, quick idea validation. Quality mode, 45 credits. Final assets, production-grade output, detailed textures, commercial use. For this dragon specifically, if I was actually using this for a game or a print, I'd run quality mode after confirming the geometry looks right in fast mode. That's the workflow. Fast mode to validate, quality mode to deliver. Worth knowing, V2.1 isn't the only version available. V1.5 gives you more stable, cleaner geometry if consistency matters more than speed. V2.0 has better overall texture quality. You can pick the version that fits your project. Now let me show you the advanced mode. This is where V2.1 gets interesting for people who want more control. First, the Delight slider. This controls how much lighting information is preserved from your input image. For this dragon, the original image has directional studio lighting baked in. If I slide Delight toward 1, it strips all that out, giving me a clean, evenly lit mesh that a game engine or renderer can light however it wants. If I leave it toward 0, the original shading stays, which can look great for 3D printing since there's no additional rendering step. Second, PBR materials. One click and the model is ready for physically based rendering pipelines: Blender, Unreal, Unity. The black scales and gold underbelly on this dragon would actually map really well to PBR since they're such distinct material types. And the whole workflow lives in one place: image editing, generation, model repair, segmentation, export, even direct 3D print output. No switching between tools. Here's what will actually improve your results. Objects with hard, defined edges generate better than soft, organic shapes. Mechs, robots, creatures, buildings, excellent. Hair, fur, flowing cloth, much harder. One object per image, always. The AI focuses on one subject at a time. Clean silhouette is everything. The dragon works because the wings and tail extend cleanly into negative space. Cluttered backgrounds kill geometry quality. Always remove the background before generating. I showed this with the dragon. That step alone reduces failed attempts. Use multi-view generation for complex creatures like this. It gives the AI multiple angles to reconstruct from and produces a more complete, stable structure, especially useful for wings and tails. And here's the mindset shift. Don't expect a perfect result on the first try. Use fast mode to test. Tweak the image, run it again. The credits are cheap enough now that iteration is actually viable. Hitem3D V2.1 fast mode is genuinely quick, and right now the credits are the cheapest they've ever been. New users get 50% off their first month, and the first 200 people who sign up through my link get an extra 500 credits for free. The link and promo code Digital Assets are both in the description. You can try it for free. The free trial lets you generate and download models without spending anything, which isn't standard across all tools in this space. If this helped, leave a like. It makes a difference. Subscribe if you want more AI tool breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.